Welcome to my Level Up Pinoy Ulam series, where I show you how to make every Pinoy ulam easy, masarap, at laging may wow. Episode 8, Sinigang sa Miso. We're done, sinigang sa sampalok, sinigang sa gabi, this time, sinigang sa miso. Turuan ko kayo, let's go! Salmon belly, salmon head. Alam nyo ba na ang white miso is sweeter, lighter, and less salty? It is packed with probiotics, protein, and essential minerals. While the tamarind brings the asim, the miso brings the lambot sa lasa. In short, healthy version ng sinigang. Add white miso. Kung napanood mo na yung ibang episodes ng sinigang, almost the same lang yung cooking procedure. Add more water. Hindi tayo gagamit ng kangkong. We'll use mustard leaves. Mustasa. Alam niyo ba na ang mustasa ay pataas sa vitamin A, C, at fiber-rich to. Yung konting pait niya, pangpabalance sa flavors. Labanos, okra, sitaw. Let's now add the salmon. Salmon head, ganda ng color. Belly. At alam mo ba, miso removes the fishy aftertaste at amoy ng salmon pero hindi niya pinapawala yung natural freshness ng isda. Kaya ang tendency nito, nagiging mas creamy, flavorful, at mas kumpleto yung lasa. At syempre, healthy pa. Let's try it. So good.